Thanks, Marissa. It is the last full day of summer for us, and it feels like it out there, too. Let's start out with our current temperatures right now. And this afternoon, temperatures will continue to climb from here a few more degrees. Now, we're tracking more nice weather on the way. We'll talk about how long that's going to last, what to expect this weekend, and when cooler weather will return coming up. We're beginning to see a little tiny bit of daylight there on the horizon. Temperatures are going to be slow to warm up for us, but they'll keep warming all the way into the 60s, 70s, and even the 80s today, too. We're beginning in the 30s, 40s, and 50s. We've got quite a range out there. Highest mountain peaks into the 30s. Then as you start to work your way down the mountains, 40s. Lower elevations are seeing the upper 40s and even a little bit into the 50s. But in the last hour, a lot of those temperatures have dipped back down into the 40s as temperatures remain falling through about 7:30 to 8 a.m. Wind speed, it's light at lower elevations. Mountains are seeing winds of 5 to 10 miles per hour, helping to reduce some of our morning fog in the mountains. And our forecasted highs for today, 60s, 70s. Our lower elevations in our western counties are looking to get into the low 80s. And in terms of highs, this is about likely where we're going to stay through the week ahead. We'll have small variations, but for the most part, we're looking at highs near either 70 at our mountainous counties or 80 at our lower elevations. Let's jump to the 7-day forecast. We're going to be right there temperature-wise for our highs pretty much throughout the week ahead, and temperatures are in the 40s. Some of us are into the low 50s this morning. It's a little warmer than yesterday, but it's still jacket weather outside. Wind speed just a few miles per hour, and our afternoon highs today are set to climb into the upper 70s, low 80s, and even into the mid 80s along our westernmost counties. So it's going to be a hot afternoon ahead. These warm temperatures look to stick around for us through the rest of the upcoming week. Then next week we start to track a chance for cooler weather to return. For today, 82 for your high with sunshine expected too. Let's talk about the 7-day forecast. A lot going on here in terms of changes over the week ahead. A chance for a few rain showers Thursday morning and then on and off through Friday too. Neither of those days should see very much rainfall, and most of the day will be dry, but there's still that shot of a chance for some rain showers. We're a little cooler on Thursday because of the excess cloud coverage, but we warm back up from there. In fact, Saturday could be hot for us, very warm on that day. Right now going with 84. That may get bumped up as we get a little bit closer. As we head into the later part of the week, we're tracking increasing storm chances on Sunday and most specifically on Monday too. 80% chance of storms to move through as we look ahead to Monday. We're keeping the storm chances in the forecast Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, so that remains to be monitored. We'll have more coming up. Now we're going to send things over to Marissa. Let's put Predictor into motion to take a look at those rain showers moving through. Likely during the afternoon hours today, about 1 to 3 p.m. as that band of rain showers moves across north central West Virginia. We're anticipating the heavier downpours staying up toward Ohio and Pennsylvania, but we could catch a few move down in our direction. Now, that rain amount's not expected to be heavy either today or tomorrow, but we are monitoring what's going on in the tropics. We've got Tropical Depression 16, and it's expected to continue developing into a hurricane here over the next few days. It'll head toward Louisiana, where it'll likely make landfall as a Category 1, 2, or 3 hurricane. Then it'll travel across the United States and bring rain chances to the eastern U.S. Now, there's still a lot of uncertainty with the storm system. Take a look here. You can see the chance for rain across much of the northeastern United States, and we're right in the middle of where we could be seeing some of those heavier downpours early next week. So that's why we have those heavy rain chances later in the forecast. So let's take a look at the full 7-day. 70s for today. Now we start to increase those storm chances on Monday and Tuesday as we continue to monitor the tropics and any changes that may result.